Let us do a lab activity. Aim of this experiment: observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance. Material required: a candle, paper, concave mirror, V stand, meter scale. Procedure: place a concave mirror on V stand. Now keep the candle at different distances from the mirror. By moving the paper or screen, find the position where you get the sharp image on the screen. In this lab activity, we discuss 6 cases. Case 1: when object is at infinity, that is, it is at very far distance. In this case, the image will be formed on screen at focal point and it is a real image. Real image, an image which can be captured on screen, is called real image. It is inverted image and highly diminished size, almost point size image we get here. Case 2: when object beyond C, in this case the image will be formed between focal point and center of curvature. It is a real image, inverted image and diminished size. When object at C, the image will also form at C. This is the only situation where we get the same size image and the object position and the image position is same. Here it is a real image, inverted image and same size. The image will also form at same position as an object. When object is in between focal point and center of curvature, we get the image beyond C and it is a real image, inverted image and enlarged image. When object is at focal point, we get the image at far distance or at infinity. It is a real image, inverted image and highly enlarged image. When object is between pole and focal point, the image will be formed inside the mirror or behind the mirror. It cannot be captured on the screen. Such type of images are called virtual images. So here we get a virtual image and erect image and enlarged image, and this is the lab activity, and we observe different types of images measuring the object distance and image distance. Thank you.